Greetings, fellow enthusiasts. Welcome back to SL Dimension, your go-to hub for all things CAD/CAM. Today, we're diving into the world of Solidworks with a special focus on why CAD/CAM is indispensable for mechanical engineering or diploma pursuits. But before we jump in, allow me to introduce your guide through this 12-year journey, bringing you insights on how CAD and Solidworks can significantly boost your job efficiency. If you know mechanical design, then you will be more welcomed and your job will be more secured than who don't. Why CAD/CAM for mechanical engineering or diploma? 1. Streamlining design processes. 2. Enhancing precision in manufacturing. 3. Reducing time to market. 4. Facilitating collaboration in the digital age. 5. To adapt with industrial revolution, and so more. Why choose SL Dimension as your tutor? 1. Solidworks Certified Mechanical Design Expert. 2. 12 years in the field. 3. Real-world applications of CAD/Solidworks. 4. Success stories from the industry. If you're finding value in these insights, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. Drop your thoughts in the comments, we love hearing from you. Share this video with your fellow engineers and enthusiasts. And of course, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future tutorials. Your support inspires us to create more content just for you. As we wrap up today's journey into the heart of CAD/CAM, remember, the right tools open doors to limitless possibilities. Stay tuned for more tutorials, tips, and tricks right here on SL Dimension. Until next time, happy designing!